Ever wondered what are the best places to visit in the USA? Well, you're in for a treat. The United States is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, bustling cities, and captivating attractions. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the vibrant streets of New York City, from the sunny beaches of California to the historical landmarks of Washington, D.C., there's something for everyone. So, ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Join us as we count down the top 50 must-visit places in the USA. Starting off our countdown at number 50, we're heading down to the enchanting swamplands of the Everglades National Park in Florida. This place is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, offering a unique ecosystem teeming with wildlife. Next up at 49 we have the vibrant city of Nashville, Tennessee. Known as the heart of the country music scene, Nashville is a must-visit for music lovers, with its rich history and lively atmosphere. At 48 we find ourselves in the picturesque landscape of Mount Rainier National Park in Washington. The park's crowning glory, Mount Rainier, is a sight to behold, standing majestically against the backdrop of lush forests and wildflower meadows. Coming in at 47 is the historic city of Boston, Massachusetts. This city is a treasure trove of American history, with landmarks such as the Freedom Trail and the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum. At 46 we have the stunning Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. With its breathtaking mountain scenery and abundant wildlife, it's no wonder this park makes the list. Number 45 takes us to the charming city of Charleston, South Carolina. Known for its well-preserved architecture and rich history, Charleston is a delight for culture and history buffs alike. At 44 we find ourselves immersed in the natural beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, spanning North Carolina and Tennessee. The park is a haven for hikers, boasting a vast network of trails through its stunning landscapes. Coming in at 43 is the iconic city of Las Vegas, Nevada. From its dazzling casinos to its spectacular shows, Las Vegas offers a unique experience that's hard to match. At number 42, we journey to the awe-inspiring Yellowstone National Park, straddling Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. It's the world's first national park and a hotspot for geothermal activity, with its renowned Old Faithful geyser. And rounding out our first 10 at number 41, we have the sun-soaked beaches and vibrant nightlife of Miami, Florida. This city is a hub of culture and entertainment, offering something for everyone. These were the first 10 of our top 50. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the USA. Moving on to number 40 on our list, we find ourselves in the charming coastal city of Savannah, Georgia. Known for its well-preserved historic district and the beautiful Forsyth Park, Savannah is a delight for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. At 39 we visit the sunny beaches of Miami, Florida. With its vibrant nightlife and a rich blend of cultures, Miami offers a taste of the tropics right here in the mainland USA. Next, at 38, we have the breathtaking Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. Its vast, rugged landscapes and abundant wildlife make it a paradise for outdoor adventurers. Coming in at 37 is the bustling city of Houston, Texas. Home to a thriving art scene and the renowned NASA Space Center, Houston is a hub of innovation and creativity. At 36, we visit the desert oasis of Palm Springs, California. Known for its mid-century modern architecture and relaxing hot springs, Palm Springs offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Next, at 35, we find ourselves in the heart of the Midwest, Chicago, Illinois. With its iconic skyline, world-class museums, and diverse food scene, Chicago is a city that truly has it all. At 34, we visit the quaint town of Asheville, North Carolina. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville is known for its vibrant art scene and historic architecture. Coming in at 33 is the majestic Grand Canyon in Arizona. Its awe-inspiring landscapes and exhilarating hiking trails make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. At 32 we have the lively city of New Orleans, Louisiana. Famous for its Mardi Gras celebrations and unique blend of cultures, New Orleans offers an unforgettable experience. Finally, at 31 we visit the picturesque Acadia National Park in Maine. With its stunning coastal views and diverse wildlife, Acadia is a gem of the Northeast. From the stunning landscapes to the vibrant cities, the USA has something for everyone. We've reached number 30 on our countdown, and the excitement continues to build. As we move forward, each destination seems to offer something even more spectacular, leaving us in awe of the diverse beauty and charm the USA has to offer. Next up, at number 30, we take a trip to the vibrant city of Nashville, Tennessee. Known as the Music City, Nashville is a haven for all music lovers, with its unique blend of country, bluegrass, and rock and roll. Moving on to number 29, we find ourselves in the heart of Texas. Austin, famous for its live music scene, is also known for its eclectic food trucks and stunning outdoor spaces. It's a city that embodies the spirit of Keep Austin Weird. At number 28, we head to the majestic Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. With its breathtaking mountain views, abundant wildlife, and over 300 miles of hiking trails, it's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 27 takes us to the sunny shores of Miami, Florida. With its vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, and rich cultural heritage, Miami is a city that never sleeps. At number 26, we visit the Grand Canyon in Arizona. This natural wonder, with its layered bands of red rock revealing millions of years of geological history, is truly a sight to behold. Moving on to number 25, we find ourselves in the charming city of Savannah, Georgia. Known for its well-preserved historic district, beautiful parks, and delicious southern cuisine, Savannah is a city that exudes old-world charm. At number 24, we head to the bustling city of Chicago, Illinois. With its impressive architecture, world-class museums, and delicious deep-dish pizza, Chicago is a city that has something for everyone. Number 23 takes us to the stunning Yellowstone National Park, spread across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Known for its geysers, hot springs, and diverse wildlife, Yellowstone is a testament to the raw beauty of nature. At number 22, we visit the city of Boston, Massachusetts. Rich in American history and known for its prestigious universities, Boston is a city that combines the old and new in perfect harmony. Finally, at number 21, we find ourselves in the heart of New Orleans, Louisiana. Known for its vibrant music scene, unique cuisine, and lively Mardi Gras celebrations, New Orleans is a city that knows how to have a good time. The journey continues, and we're getting closer to the top spots. Cracking into the top 20, we find ourselves immersed in an eclectic mix of must-visit destinations, each with its own unique charm and appeal. These places are a testament to the diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage that the United States proudly offers. At number 20, we have the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. Known as the live music capital of the world, it's a haven for music enthusiasts and foodies alike. Its thriving art scene and buzzing nightlife are simply irresistible. Coming in at number 19, the Grand Canyon in Arizona is a sight to behold. Its vastness and stunning beauty make it a bucket list destination for nature lovers. The awe-inspiring views from its rim are truly a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Next at 18, we journey to the picturesque vineyards of Napa Valley, California. It's a paradise for wine connoisseurs, offering some of the finest wines in the world. At number 17, we have the historic city of Boston, Massachusetts. It's a treasure trove of American history, housing landmarks like the Freedom Trail and Fenway Park. Swooping in at number 16 is Yellowstone National Park. It's a haven for wildlife and geothermal features, with the iconic Old Faithful geyser stealing the show. At number 15, we visit the sun-kissed beaches of Miami, Florida. This glamorous city is a blend of cultures, offering vibrant nightlife, delectable cuisine, and an array of water sports. Coming in at 14 is the dazzling city of Las Vegas, Nevada. Known for its nightlife, casinos, and entertainment shows, it's a city that never sleeps. At number 13, we have the Big Island of Hawaii, with its stunning beaches, active volcanoes, and lush rainforests. It's truly a tropical paradise. Next at 12, the Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado offers breathtaking mountain vistas, serene alpine lakes, and abundant wildlife. Finally, at number 11, we have the city of San Francisco, California. Famous for its Golden Gate Bridge, cable cars, and vibrant neighborhoods, it's a city that's sure to leave you spellbound. The anticipation builds as we approach the top 10. Welcome to the top 10 of our countdown. We've journeyed far and wide, and now we're here, at the heart of America's most treasured destinations. At number 10, we find ourselves in the grandeur of Yosemite National Park, California. Known for its breathtaking waterfalls, deep valleys, and giant sequoias, Yosemite is a testament to the wild beauty of the American landscape. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual nature lover, this park offers an unforgettable experience. Next, at number 9, we immerse ourselves in the vibrant energy of New York City. From the iconic skyline dominated by the Statue of Liberty and Empire State Building, to the bustling streets of Times Square, the city that never sleeps is a whirlwind of culture, art, and life. No American journey is complete without a taste of the Big Apple. Coming in at number 8, we have the historic city of Boston, Massachusetts. Known as the Cradle of Liberty, Boston is rich in American history. Walk the Freedom Trail, visit the iconic Fenway Park, or indulge in a bowl of clam chowder. The city's charm lies in its harmonious blend of old and new, and its warm, welcoming spirit. At number 7, we're off to the tropical paradise of Hawaii's Big Island. With its stunning beaches, active volcanoes, and lush rainforests, the Big Island offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. It's the perfect escape for those seeking a taste of the exotic in the heart of the Pacific. And finally, at number 6, we find ourselves in the heart of the Midwest, in Chicago, Illinois. Famous for its deep dish pizza, towering skyscrapers, and vibrant music scene, Chicago is a city that truly embodies the spirit of America. We're just a breath away from the top 5. Are you ready? Scene script. Here we are, the top 5 places to visit in the USA. The anticipation is palpable, isn't it? Let's dive in. Starting us off at number 5, we have the stunning Yellowstone National Park. This is a place where nature reigns supreme. From the iconic Old Faithful geyser to the mesmerizing Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the grandeur of Mother Nature. Next up at number 4, we visit the city that never sleeps, New York City. With its iconic skyline, bustling streets, and cultural landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Times Square, the Big Apple offers an urban adventure like no other. Whether you're a fan of art, food, music, or just people watching, New York City has something for everyone. Coming in at number 3, we have the Grand Canyon. A sight so breathtaking it almost doesn't seem real. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the canyon's sheer size and dramatic landscapes are a sight to behold. Whether you're hiking, rafting, or simply enjoying the view, the Grand Canyon is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. At number 2, we find ourselves in the heart of the USA, in the beautiful city of Chicago. Known for its distinctive architecture, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering food scene, Chicago offers a unique blend of big city excitement and Midwestern charm. From the stunning views atop Willis Tower to the serene beauty of Millennium Park, the Windy City will leave you enchanted. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The number 1 spot goes to the majestic city of San Francisco. With its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, historic cable cars, and picturesque waterfront, San Francisco is a city of endless discovery. It's a place where you can explore diverse neighborhoods, indulge in world-class cuisine, and immerse yourself in a vibrant art scene. And that, my friends, is the number 1 place to visit in the USA. What a journey we've had, exploring the beauty and diversity of the USA. From the breathtaking vistas of the Grand Canyon to the bustling city life of New York, we've journeyed through a land that is as diverse as it is vast. We've wandered through the golden beaches of Florida, the sprawling vineyards of Napa Valley, and the majestic mountains of Colorado. We've marveled at the architectural wonders of Chicago, the historic charm of Boston, and the unique culture of New Orleans. Along the way, we've discovered 50 destinations, each with its own unique charm and appeal. We've seen natural wonders like Yellowstone National Park, where geysers and hot springs paint a surreal landscape. We've explored cultural hubs like San Francisco, where the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island are as captivating as the city's vibrant arts scene. We've delved into the heart of the country, visiting places like Nashville, where the music scene is as legendary as its southern hospitality. And we've ventured to the farthest corners of the country, to places like Hawaii, where the beauty of the islands is matched only by the warmth of the aloha spirit. But this is just the beginning. This journey is not meant to be a definitive list, but rather, a starting point. It's an invitation to explore, to discover, and to make your own journey. Each of these 50 destinations has something unique to offer, but they are just a fraction of the countless treasures that the USA holds. So, let this journey inspire you. Let it awaken your wanderlust. Let it fuel your desire to see more, do more, and experience more. Let it remind you that every journey is a story, and every story is a journey. And the best stories, the most unforgettable journeys, are the ones you make yourself. And so, we end our journey here, but the road doesn't end. It continues, beckoning you to the next destination, the next adventure, the next chapter in your story. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to make some memories. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a city explorer, or a history buff, the USA has a destination for you. So, when are you planning your trip?